These are the steps to access history on your Facebook app. First is to get to your Facebook app. Once you get to it, just tap on it. As the app opens, tap on the your profile image, alright, or your profile picture. Mine is at the top right here. I still have one at the bottom, so let me go with the one at the bottom. So I'm using iPhone, so the configuration may be different depending on the type of phone you are using. Okay, once you get here, tap on the gear icon, which is settings, which is at the top right in this case. Then on getting to this page, you scroll down until you get to this section with the text activity log. Tap on it. On tapping on activity log, you will see this information. You can see activity history. Just tap on that, and this gives you where you visited. All right, what made me to start searching for this is that I searched for this. I was watching something on this lady's post, Lillian Kelechi, and I couldn't remember the name of her page. So with this history, I can get where I was. I can tap and it gets to that place. All right, Facebook don't have that functionality yet. So since I've remembered her name, I can get to home and search for her. So now that I've known her name, I will tap on home. Then I will tap on search, which is at the top right. And then I will search for the name of the person I want to search for. So here is Lilian Kelechi Oparaku. So I will tap on it and I'll be taken to her page. So I can tap on her profile icon and then I'll get to what I want to rush.